how to open a LinkedIn account and actually set up your profile. So first you have to click to continue with Google if you're using the LinkedIn web version, but if not, you have to get the LinkedIn app and continue. Set up your password and put in your email address and click to continue. So just basically follow the prompt. It will show you something like this similar, so make sure to select all of that and then select your password and add up your location. Make sure to click to save your password to your Google account and then continue. It will ask you to input your most relevant job experiences or job titles, and then feel free to add it. Make sure to use job titles relevant to your industry using the keywords and all of that. Put in your email address, and then LinkedIn will send you a code with which you will enter the code to confirm your email address, which is the email address used to register to your LinkedIn account. So you have to set up your profile after the account is opened for you, and it will include you in putting in your job title, so you can make research on relevant job titles that are in your industry depending on your job title, and then of course select all of that, the kind of job that interests you. Just set up your job locations as well, so depending on your location, your choice location for job, make sure to put up your job notifications as well, and then go ahead to just connect and start your network. People that you already know, allow LinkedIn to access your contact details so you can connect to so many people that are in your network and just grow your network basically, right? So make sure to connect with them, but do not do this so much that the app would flag you like a bot. So also follow up with feeds and trends and companies that you think you'll get information that are relevant to you on your new LinkedIn account that you just opened. So you also need to select your interests, so LinkedIn will know what to flood your feed with. Okay, so these are some of the processes and steps that you have to follow, step-by-step process to set up your profile and your LinkedIn account. So at this point, if you're looking for a job, you might want to go ahead to put up the kind of job search that you're interested in, maybe the job title. Say for example you want your customer service role, right? So feel free to type that in and then set up job notification that are similar to that kind of job. You could also share to select the kind of, let's say, filter like 24 hours job and all that, and then go ahead to just have your profile ready. So let me know if this video is helpful to you in setting up your profile. There are a lot of things you need to do to your profile. It's not just enough to open your LinkedIn account. You have to optimize your LinkedIn profile page. So I have a video on that which I'll pin to the description of this video, and it will help you to just basically set up your profile, your headline, your summary, your experiences, set up your location for each of the experience, and add your skills, relevant skills that will help you to land the job that you want to land if you're looking for a job, which is the reason why you're opening a LinkedIn account. But I would warn you that LinkedIn is not just there for you to just apply for jobs. It's basically there for connection and just having a personal brand that will help you to even get so much more than just that job. So this is how you'll be able to set up your profile, open your LinkedIn account, and enjoy your LinkedIn accounts. So at this point, you would have to input all the other details, which is optimizing your LinkedIn profile page to stand out. You would want to enter your experience section where you put up your job titles you've done in the past. Okay, make sure to use relevant job titles that are in your industry or that are being used by most people in your industry. Set up the skills, put up your starting date and your ending year. Make sure to follow accounts or companies that you think will provide value to you, and if your past company is there, make sure to select them, the company page, and then your year, and then just make sure you put all the relevant details like your location, the description, which is what you did for the company, but let it be result oriented in a way to say what are the values you added to that company in form of numbers, metrics. So you'd have to add all of those details in the description of your work experience, and then go ahead to put up your skills together that will make up your experience for that particular role. So do that if you have several other roles, and then just go ahead to watch what I did till the end of this video, how I'm able to set up the experience section, and you can add as much experience as possible, and then of course connect with people so LinkedIn will know that you are a human being and you know people and you're trying to expand your network. So if you're looking for a job, it's important that you search for the kind of job like we already said earlier on, and add notification. And if you have people that you want to connect with specifically, you can send a message to them directly and they will know that you're active, and then follow them, connect with them, and just enjoy your account.